Hi, welcome to my video of the r630. This is single processor unit. I bought this from the recycling company, and the cowboy packer didn't pack it very nice, so this one was damaged. And also the cowboy so-called engineer, it lists this one as dual processor unit. So I complain about the item not as described, and they just sent me another processor and another heatsink for this P630. Here, I want to upgrade the CPU to add the second CPU. So, when you see the corner, the corner, have to point to the same direction. I haven't actually checked the code on the CPU. If it's not working, I got another match pair. So this one is SR207. It's Malay CPU. Back to this unit. It comes with the r630 controller. There's some cheap versions, but doesn't come with the red controller. And it's gonna cost arm and leg to buy this. SAS A, SAS B cable go along from here to connect this r730P. Some they use the SATA one, like S130. Is a very crap controller, like just SATA only, and you won't do any much regarding the rate. Here, we just try to fit this one in and fire up. See, did the cowboy seller send me the right processor? Some people just can't do the job properly. I tell you what, because of the firming, it's not a good idea to use a small screwdriver. And when you buy single processor unit, it's supposed to come with something like this, 3XTGW. They just clip on the two memory lanes. This one no use. And the original system is 8GB one on the DIMM one. Because I can't find the 8GB match DIMM, so I put two of the 16GB. If you want to know, this is 2133P DDR4. Try not to mix the processor memory. If not, it will cause a lot of problem, like the system keep crashing. They'll clip that one in. This is internal look. It has the daughter cut here. 4 of the 1GB. Now, And yes, it does come with this cover, so looks like the CPU is correct one, because normally the Costa Rica, it doesn't like the second CPU with another mate. Like Malay CPU, they want the same Malay SR207 and something like that. Yes, we got the processor being recognized by the system. However, it complained about the memory. So, it said one of the memory is not working. And we need to reset the memory. See why he's not happy about. Take this out. And there's a field configuration layout. Eight bay, 10 bay, and 24 PCIe SSD options. Not sure about the system memory error just now we facing. Probably it just didn't sit correctly. So looks like the memory error has gone. And here we can go to the controller, have a look see. And that's it. The upgrade has done. And thanks for the watching. Bye.